What if I told you one of our property management partners is already making up to $30,000 a month in new management fees? I'm Tom Smith, co-founder of Ryse, and I'm going to show you how. We have partnered with Rent Manager to offer property managers the ability to provide instant cash to their owners for up to 11 months of future tenant rents. Ryse Advances provides instant cash to your owners for anything from emergency repairs to additional equity to buy new properties to add to their portfolio. We pay you 2% for every rent advance. This allows you to earn $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month in new management fee revenue. There are no setup or monthly fees to offer Ryse Rent Advances. We have an exclusive launch special. The first 100 Rent Manager PMs that activate Ryse Rent Advances receive a $1,000 signing bonus. My team and I personally onboard every Rent Manager partner. Let's activate you today.